Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are diving into how to make an animated background in Shopify. By the end of this video, you will be able to animate and design your store background. Let's get started. First, let's open our Shopify store and see what it currently looks like. This is the default background of the store. Now, let's start creating our own animated background. Head back to the home page and click on Online Store. This is where we will start customizing our store. Let's begin by changing the header. We will add our brand's color scheme, black background with white text. Next, let's add our logo and resize it to fit perfectly. Now we can start creating the animated background. The best software for creating animations is Canva. In Canva, navigate to the Elements section and choose Image Grid. Pick 3 grids and add circle frames. Remove the spacing. Then search for a photo related to your product keyword. For example, let's say we are looking for a black dress. Drag and drop the selected photo into your frames. If you are not happy with the background, no worries. Just edit it out using the background remover tool. To add some extra flair, let's include a background video. Search for a video in Canva Elements section. resize it, and decrease the opacity. Animating the circle frame will give our brand some movement. Click on the image. Navigate to the animation section and choose your preferred animation style. Once you are satisfied, download it in MP4 or GIF file. Back on your Shopify page, insert a banner and adjust the height accordingly. Once everything is done, save your changes and preview your final look. Your animated background is looking fantastic. Thank you for watching.